alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about double pesh. As you know that pesh is called a dhamma in Arabic. So we can also call it double dhamma, or in other words you can also call it two pesh or two dhamma. So now let's recap what we have learnt in the part 1, because in part 1 I explained all about Tanween in detail. So if you don't understand, just check out the part 1, because I'm just recapping what I taught you in the part 1 in the part 2 and 3. So now let's recap it. Tanween is the noon or end sound added to the end of a letter, or you can also define Tanween as doubling the harkat. And what are the harkat? Zabar, Zay and Pesh. Tanween means pushing aside. Any letter that is having Tanween, which means 2 Zabar, 2 Zay or 2 Pesh, is called a munawwan. So now let me tell you about double Pesh as our recap is done. What's the sound of Pesh? Alif Pesh U, Ba Pesh Bu, Ta Pesh Tu, right? But what Tanween means, noon or end sound added to the end of a letter, or it can also be said doubling the harkat. So because I'm explaining you, so I'll choose doubling the harkat. Doubling the harkat will produce a noon or end sound, so it will be Tanween, like Alif tu pesh un, Ba tu pesh bun, Ta tu pesh tun. And same for all rest of the letters like Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, till Ya. Okay. So now let us do some practice. Alif tu pesh un,
Ek tu pet un,
Ba tu pesh bun,
ba pet bun,
Ta tu pesh tun,
ta pet tun,
Tha tu pesh sun,
ta pet tun,
Jim tu pesh jun,
king pet dun,
Ha tu pesh hun,
ha pet dun,
Kha tu pesh khun,
ta pet dun,
Dal tu pesh dun,
dal pet dun,
Zal tu pesh dun,
dal pet dun,
Ra tu pesh run,
la pet dun,
Za tu pesh zun,
da pet dun,
Sin tu pesh sun, Sin tu pesh sun,
king tu pet dun,
Shin tu pesh shun,
king pet dun,
Sad tu pesh sun,
ta pet dun,
Va tu pesh gun,
da pet dun,
Ta tu pesh sun,
da pet dun,
Va tu pesh zun,
da pet dun,
Ain tu pesh run,
ing pet un,
Ghain tu pesh gun,
dun pet dun,
Fa tu pesh fun,
ta pet dun,
Qaf tu pesh qun,
ta pet dun,
Kaf tu pesh kun,
ta pet dun,
Lam tu pesh lun,
nam pet nun,
Mim tu pesh mun,
min pet mun,
Noon tu pesh nun,
ning mun pet mun,
Vav tu pesh vun,
wow pet mun,
Ha tu pesh hun,
ha pet,
Hamza tu pesh un,
hamba pet un,
Ya tu pesh yun.
la pet nun,
So now let us summarize what we have learnt in the part 1 and recapped in the part 2 and 3. Tanween is the noon or end sound added to the end of a letter, or Tanween can also be defined as doubling the harkat. And what are the harkat? Zabar, Zaid and Pesh. Tanween means pushing aside. Any letter that is having Tanween is called a munawwan. So this is the end of our today's lesson. Don't forget to practice, as practice makes a man perfect. Allah Hafiz and take care.